you look at estimates from folks like the census, people would say only 19% of businesses have adopted AI. Our data suggests it's about 50%. And I think the reason is that it's going from conceptual, it can help you write a nice poem, to now it can do your expenses, it can automate accounting. You can use tools like ChatGPT and Anthropic to start getting into and improving core business processes. So I just think the reasoning is improving.
So you think the government data that we get, or I guess rely on, is going to lag? Continue to lag?
It is, and I think some of this is the way they ask the question. In the past, they've asked, are you using AI to produce goods or services, which many firms in the US don't produce goods or services in the classical sense, so it underestimates it. But I think beyond it, a lot of this data is done through the mail. It's not actually looking at true spend data, and so sometimes even business owners don't know to the extent that employees are using these tools to build a business. I think sometimes you hear, AI, and you wonder, what does this mean? And actually, when you see what Ryan is doing in the commercial, where, all the things that he wished he had time to do or someone else could take care of, doing the expenses, tabulating the books, moving funds, taking care of the low-value work so he can actually experience the joy, lead the company forward, it brings together in a fun and humorous way.